The SmartTouch from Powered Aire is an all-in-one, intuitive air curtain control that can be mounted directly to the unit or remotely on a nearby wall. Fan mode includes off, on, and auto settings. Auto can be used with a door switch or thermostat when the air curtain is doubling as a space heater. Heat mode turns the heaters off, on, or in coordination with the thermostat. If fan mode is set to auto, a fourth option appears in the heat mode menu, where the air curtain can be used as a space heater, activating when the room temperature drops below a preset point. Fan speed can be set to high or low, unless a variable speed motor is included, at which point the speed can be set anywhere between 50 and 100%. The temperature set point enables the user to define the point at which the heater will activate. An easy-to-use menu offers both core and advanced functionality, including date and time entry, as well as a passcode protection that can be used to prevent unauthorized access. This is ideal for remote-mounted controllers that may be in public areas. Time and day settings enable the user to define when the air curtain will operate, such as during store hours. With time delay, the user can customize how long the fans will run after the door closes. A filter reminder can be set, reminding the user to routinely service the filter and air curtain. Lastly, the SmartTouch can provide real-time updates as to how long the fans and heaters have run. To learn more about the SmartTouch, visit poweraire.com or contact your sales representative.